Can you explain UX design to a 5-year-old kid or to your grandparents? Well, if the answer is no, then this video is specially made for you. By the end of this video, you will clearly understand what UX design is. You will also get the most simplest definition of UX design, using which you will be able to explain UX design to anyone. If you Google what is UX design, you will get hundreds of different definition and explanation. Because there is no standard universal definition of UX design. And due to this lack of standard definition of UX design, every aspirant struggle to answer this simple question. So let's start with the definition. UX design is a process of creating experiences which are effective, efficient, easy, and enjoyable. Simple, right? Let me explain this with an example so that you can understand this better. Let's say Uber wants to introduce a new feature using which their users will be able to book seats in buses. So in this case, booking a seat is an experience, and our job as a UX designer is to make sure that this experience of booking a seat is effective. That is, our user can easily find and book their seats. Efficient. That is, our user can book the seats quickly. Easy. That is, our interface is simple, clean, and easy to navigate. And enjoyable. That is, making the whole journey of booking the seat fun and enjoyable. To create experiences which are effective, efficient, easy, and enjoyable, we use multiple different subsets or components of UX design, such as user research, user interface, information architecture, UX writing, content, etc. One of the biggest misconceptions of UX design is that people think that it's all about the look and feel of the product. Well, my friend, that is not true. UX design is far more than just the look and feel of the product. Steve Jobs, the founder of Apple, once said, design is not just about the look and feel of the product, but also how it works. UX designers needs to go beyond the look and feel of the product. They need to understand who the users are, what their pain points are, what makes them happy, and what frustrates them. UX design is not only about making the life of a user better and efficient, but it is also about making business successful. Ultimately, it is the business which needs to be successful. So therefore, UX designers should make sure that they create perfect balance between the user needs and the business needs. Remember, learning just the definition will not help you get the job. You will need to understand the core aspects of UX design. For that, you can watch this complete UX design for beginners playlist on my channel. The videos in this playlist are actual recordings of my paid course, which will give you a solid foundational knowledge of UX design. Now go and watch that, and I'll see you next time.